Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into FastBoot mode. So to get started, hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will bring up our boot options, so select power off. And once the phone turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. And once you start holding them, you will feel a vibration after like a second or so, at which point you will want to let go of only the power key, but keep holding volume down. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna grab the phone just because it's much easier for me to press those keys. So power, volume down. Vibration, power key released. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. So in here, we will need to utilize volume keys to navigate up and down in order to select enter FastBoot mode and then confirm it with power key. And there we go, we are now in FastBoot mode. And just as in the previous mode, we will again utilize volume keys to navigate through here as well. And power key again will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now with that in mind, we can go back to Android with the first option, which is reboot system now. We can go back to recovery mode, which is the previous screen that we were on. We can reboot to bootloader, which is as good of an option as reboot system now, because there is no bootloader here. And simply power off as an option is accessible here as well. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one just to leave this mode, so confirm that, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.